Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a math quiz video on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this is an effect on TikTok where you're given a quiz on maths and you need to answer the questions. So let me show you how to get this effect and how to use it. First, open up your TikTok app. Next, tap on search and search for math quiz. It should appear in the search results under effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now check out how others have created their math quiz videos. As you can see, it presents you with a question, and using your head, you need to tilt left or right to select your choices. Try to complete as many as you can and try to get a high score. If you don't see this effect in your TikTok app, then unfortunately it is not available for you. TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone, so keep trying. When you're ready, tap on Use this effect. This should then take you into TikTok's recording screen. Okay, the trending music to this effect has been set, so you're all ready to go. Now, when you're ready, tap on record and create your very own math quiz video. Once you're done, go ahead and post it on TikTok. And that is how to create your very own math quiz video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.